Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Capricorn. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this card is for your career situation, Capricorn. If you want more clarity, guys, you can watch the Pick a Card Love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, and if you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, Capricorn. So, let's start with these cards for your general energies. So, we have Two of Pentacles, Seven of Swords in reverse, and Fool. So, in your circumstances today, maybe in your career or maybe in your relationship, you are trying to adjust maybe in your work situation. It may be the case. Maybe you are new to your job or you are new to this place. Maybe you have changed your residence, and today you are trying to find that balance, maybe balance between your work and personal life, or balance in your career situation. So you are trying to adapt today, and you may see some obstacles in your circumstances, and you want to overcome all that. And it may be in your career situation, guys, or in your relationship. Maybe you have someone really close to you telling you something. Maybe they want to tell you, advise you on certain things, and it is a good advice you are hearing from this person. Maybe if they are someone you trust, and if you feel that this person has your welfare in their heart, you can listen to them, Capricorn, because they are speaking the truth and it is some good advice they are coming with, and you need to listen to them. And maybe in your situation, you are rushing towards something, you want to make a decision immediately. So it may be something to do in your relationship. Maybe you want to make a decision today, right now, and you're not waiting for clarity, or you're not waiting for people's approval. You're simply rushing, and the reasons, maybe someone is trying to manipulate you today. That may be really difficult. So it may be your energy towards this relationship or your person's energy. Maybe they are pressuring you or driving you into some circumstance because they are being manipulated by someone to make a decision right now, immediately. So that is the reason they are asking you to think and decide, give your answer. So some kind of a pressure is there today on you or on this relationship. But it is something very immature that you are doing today, guys, because you are making this choice without thought, without deep thought. You just want to do it, and you are really careless. You are not paying attention to your circumstances. So, if you want a clear decision, Capricorn, you need to wait. That is what I would say. You need to listen to the advice. Maybe someone is here to tell you something. You need to hear what they are telling you. So, for your relationship, we picked one card, and it says 10 of Pentacles. So maybe though you are rushing towards this relationship or making some decisions without thought, impulsive choices, but it may work well for you guys with this 10 of Pentacles. I see happiness, success, and prosperity in your life and in this relationship. So it may be a rash decision or a rash choice, but whatever it is going to work out for you all, guys. So you need not worry. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. Justice. So you are confident about something today, and in your work you have made a choice, a decision, and you want to stand by it, and it is something really good, something that is going to work well for you in your circumstances, in your work. You are going to see lucrative returns for this choice you made today, guys, Capricorn. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, and that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And if you want more clarity, watch Deepika card love reading, guys. That is coming up right now, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here for you all today. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, and open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's see what is the first card. I will keep the second card here. We will see what is the card. A leg up. So, with this card, in your circumstances, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, it just means that you cannot go on like this anymore, and there are opportunities coming in your life, and if you need to embrace those opportunities, or if you need to do something better, you need help, you need that teamwork and interdependence. That is what this card means. So relationships do very well if we work together as a team. When you have people, when you have your person supporting you, and when you support them, it is going to be a very positive, meaningful connection, and you will be met with kindness and love. So maybe you are feeling really vulnerable, you want this person's ideas or suggestions on certain things. You need to ask for it, guys, because they will not know what is there deep down in your heart of hearts. So you need to voice out your request. Maybe you want help, or you want a guidance in something, or you want this person's decision on something, whatever it may be. You need to ask, and you will get that help. And trust your circumstances, and you can go forward with this help. You can request their help. There is nothing wrong, guys, with interdependence and teamwork in a relationship. That is going to help you a lot, and this is that time, maybe that time for you to give up all your inhibition, maybe whatever is holding you back from asking. You need to give all that up and ask for help. That is this card's energy here, guys. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. So I will keep this card aside. So we will see what is the second card. For those who chose this second card, a fiery climax approaches, full moon in Aries. So with this card, the energy is that maybe today in your circumstances you were concentrating too much on yourself, and maybe there is some argument or some kind of a confusion because You want something and this person wants something else, and you don't know what will happen next. So there is some kind of what to say, a lot of things are happening today, and you may feel really sensitive, emotional, and you need to understand whether think within yourself whether you were rushing towards some decisions or some choices, or whether you have been too harsh, too stubborn holding on to something in this relationship, and maybe you are the reason for the way things are going the way they are today. So you need to come out of it, maybe, and you need to do it, what to say, with understanding. So, whatever decisions or whatever, uh, maybe you're speaking something, you must not be influenced by how you feel emotionally, but to try to uh, go about any circumstances in a very balanced way. That is going to help you guys. And you, if you are interested in meditation, you can take that up. That is going to help you a lot today, guys. Thank you for watching, guys. So that is the energy with these cards, with these two cards, guys. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading, if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.